Right guys, blue or black pen for your answer and purple pen for your progress steps. Guys, if you're enjoying these videos, can you please make sure you're liking them? Please make sure you're sharing them with people from other schools. And please can you take a photo of your solutions for me, upload them and tag me at @crossmaths, okay? I love seeing them and I love giving feedback. Now, there's going to be loads of content coming in the next couple of weeks, okay, with the soft schools. I'll be doing live lessons for Year 7 all the way through to Year 11 from next week. I'll be posting maybe 1 or 2 cross-maths videos, cross-maths questions per day, and then there's going to be extra content as well, so stay tuned. Guys, questions like this, okay, this is in the middle of intermediate or it's towards the end of higher tier, okay? It's a basic shape question, real basic. Now, just what I would suggest doing, write down everything you know about this, okay? So if you see something you know, write it down. Bear in mind that plus 2 marks means you've got to write down extra to get those extra 2 marks. Now, if I see something I know from this diagram, I'm going to write it down, okay? I know perimeter, because that's what they're talking about, perimeter of a square is add up all the sides. And I also know they're talking about area of the right angle triangle. I know area of a triangle is base times by height all divided by 2. Okay, so I know those 2 things. Now, before I do anything else, I'm going to draw my shapes, okay? I'm going to draw my square over here. I've got A, B, C, E. And I'm going to draw my triangle over here. I've got D, E, C. Now, the bits that we know, okay, we know the perimeter, the distance around the outside of this, it tells us at the top is 28. Okay, so the perimeter of the outside is 28. If perimeter is 28, and I've got to add up all the sides, I've got to do 28 divided by 4. Each side is 7 centimeters. Okay, that's my first step. So that's 7, that's 7, that's 7, that's 7. And they all add to 28, so I know that's correct. Now, that's the length of one side. Okay, once I've done that, I can see EC on the top. I can also see side EC over here. You can see they connect if you look at the diagram. So I know this is 7 centimeters. And that's the base of my triangle. This bit is my height. Now, if you look back at the question, they tell you the area of a triangle equals 35 centimeters squared. Okay, so I'm going to use that to work out my question. Now, once you're here, I'm going to draw a nice line by here so we know what's what. And we can see the square working out is by there and the triangle working out is by here. Because I know the area is 35 centimeters squared. I know I've got that. I know my base is 7. I don't know what my height is, and I know 2 is just a number that I know. So once I'm here now, my area is 35. My base is 7. All times by the height. All divided by 2. Now all I've got is really straightforward solving equations. Okay, I'm going to do that nice and slowly. I've got to times both sides by 2. I get 70 equals 7 times h. And then I divide through by 7 because I want to get rid of that 7 by here. I get h equals 10 centimeters. Okay, and h is the side they've asked you to work out in the question, guys. Alright guys, if you enjoyed these videos, can you please make sure you like them? Please take a photo of your answer and tag me at crossmaths. And stay tuned for live lessons going from next week. Loads of new videos and content. Please make sure you're sharing this with your friends from other schools.